In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to post split screen videos on Instagram Reels. Now, I'll actually show you two ways. Now, the first method is using the Instagram app, which has a feature that allows you to split videos in a split screen kind of thing. So I'll show you that first, and then I'll show you the other method, which is even better, but not all people are going to have the other method. So what you want to do is open the Instagram app and then tap on the new post icon here, this plus symbol, and let's go ahead and create a reel. So tap on the camera icon, and once you tap on the camera icon, you're going to see this icon here. So there's going to be this menu. This is the icon you're looking for. It's called the layout icon. Now if you tap on that icon, it's going to let you split the screen. Now you can split it like this along, or you can choose different splits. So for instance, let me split it horizontally, so we have an upper section and a lower section. So it's going to automatically take you to the first section or the upper section first, and you can choose whether you want to record a video like this or upload a video. So let me go ahead and upload a video. All right, so let me just quickly go to these videos. Let me use this one. And you can see that video is now in the top part of my reel. The next thing I want to do is now add a video here. Again, I can add from my gallery, or I can just record one. So this time, let me record one. So it's currently recording, and I can just keep recording until I'm done, and then I can stop. So there is my Instagram reel with split screen. All right, so from here, if I like it, just tap on the check mark. They're going to get uploaded and combined, and now I can continue by tapping on next and proceed to post my Instagram reel with two videos in split screen. Now, the downside of this is that it's very hard to get both videos actually in real time. If you want to record both videos in real time, then you might need a phone that has that feature, and some phones do. So let me quickly just get out of here. Some phones will have that feature in the camera app. For instance, this is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a dual record feature. So if I go to the camera app on my phone, and then go to the more for more features, I should see dual record. And if I can tap on that, you can see it splits my screen in two. So with this camera facing outward and this one facing me. All right, so I can start recording, and it's going to record both videos in real time. And that's the one thing that the Instagram app might not be able to do. Okay, so once I'm done, I just stop. The video is saved to my gallery already in split screen, as you can see. So all I need to do now is go to Instagram and upload the video. Very simple. And that is basically how to post split screen videos on the Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.